is mighty sweet.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms in the mountains of North Carolina. Tonight I have this from Goldenmate. It is a 12.8 volt 200 amp hour battery. It's a big battery, and it definitely is the kind of battery you would want to have if you were going to set up a emergency ham or CB or GMRS, any type of multi two-way comms, and you wanted to have something that was going to give you the reserve capacity to operate for an extended period of time. This would be a perfect base for that. You would have this as your gas tank, your reservoir. Add 200 to 400 watts of solar, a solar charge controller, and nearly all ham and CB gear operates off of 12 volt. So you don't have to have any kind of inverter, you don't have any loss, and you don't have any line noise. This would be a great thing to have a shortwave set up to, because again, without anything plugged in, without having to use any kind of inverter or converter, this is pure battery power, no line noise, no herringbone, no nothing coming through the radio except for pure power. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Again, it's 200 amp hours, so a lot larger than the regular ones you see. The price of these has gone down a lot. I will leave a link to where you can get one, and it's pretty incredible here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now, like I said, it's a heavy one. Came pretty well packed too, I'll say. The Goldenmate. Set that aside. Usually, yeah. And I'll just set this on the ground here in a second. Get the other handle if I can. There we go. Big. That's what size it is. It's big sized. Says safer, longer life LiPo4 battery. 14.6 is the maximum voltage. Charge voltage 4.4. You can have a charge current of 40 amps coming in with a 100 amp max. Continuous discharge current 120 amps. That is not chump change. Charge is from freezing to 50 degrees. Discharge from negative 20 Celsius to positive 60. So you can operate these below freezing, but they're not really meant to be charged below freezing. It is an issue, but it's not the end of the world. So there it is. I'll just move it around. Two large carrying handles here, which is kind of nice. And it's big. It's big. Take a quick look at the manual. Goldenmate user manual, model LFP12200. And it's a pretty simplistic manual. It is in color. Just 2 pages of just a bifold, so not the most fancy one you're ever going to come across, but it does show how to hook it up in parallel and in series. Doesn't talk about limitations. Oh, there it goes. The model can support 4 pieces in series and 4 pieces in parallel. So you could do a 48 volt times 4. So 48 volts at 200 amps, and then times 4 in the other direction. Well, you got a whole lot of power. 2, 4, 6, 8. You got 800 amp hours at 48 volts would be your maximum amount of power out. Not a small amount. That is a pretty significant system. That is the system I am trying to build here with the panels that are on the way, with this, and with a new charge controller. I hope to make that dream come true. But let's see here. Weight-wise, 25 kilograms, made out of plastic. And the rest of the specs we've kind of gone through. It says at least 5,000 life charge and discharge for cycling, so not bad. Total watt hours is 2,560. So pretty impressive stuff. Again, this is perfect for RVs. You could definitely use this for trolling motors as well. This would be a huge reservoir for a 12 volt trolling motor. Give you all day on the lake just on electric, which would be kind of nice. And my favorite thing is just being prepared for that power down event, and I want to use my radio gear. This is the way I'm going to do it. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. I'll leave a link to where you can pick one of these up, and I'll see you next time. Take care.